Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll be taking a look at C Limited. Before I begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you greatly help our channel. Without further ado, let's take a look at C. So you can see that C is seems to be doing a pullback. And looking back at the charts, this wasn't exactly impressive. You can see that we actually went up here once. And this is of no surprise because on the way up, the cloud will act as a resistance, and thereafter we came back down to retest this blue and red baseline here. So this acted as a support before we see climbing up further. Having said that, you can see this was a previous high here. We did a fake breakout here. So what does a fake breakout actually mean? It's very much like a bull trap. So most of the bulls that actually position their limit buy orders are just above this resistance here. Once they get triggered, and then these bulls are currently trapped. So the longs are being trapped, and thereafter the market makers will push down the price back down. So on this particular day here, you can see that this very ugly looking red candle as well, which is not really a good sign. And on the way down, the cloud should act as a support, but apparently it did not really act as a pretty strong support. So in the event that we do go back up, do bear in mind that around 54 to around $56, there is a cloud resistance, and there will definitely be a resistance there. So let's take a look at the Fibonacci supports on the way down. So from its recent low of around $40 to a recent high of around $68, $69, we are looking towards the last Fibonacci support at 23.6% at 47.30. And just yesterday, we came close to it and we saw very much like a rebound. But I'm not exactly hopeful here. We can potentially see a rebound up to the cloud resistance and come back down further to retest this $40 lows. Having said that, $40 in the event that we do not have a double bottom from its recent low here, then it may be a very bearish sign for C Limited. It's likely for us to come down even lower and creating new lows. Having said that, likewise, if there is a bull trap here, there is likely for us to see a bear trap here as well. So do bear in mind if there's a lot of stop losses being triggered around $38, $39, there's a good chance for us to actually swing back up if we have broken this $40 psychological support here. So we shall see if this 47.30 will to hold, because if it holds, then that would be a good sign. And if we can actually cross this cloud resistance, which is a very key factor. So 56 and around $58, which is this blue conversion line and red baseline, is currently tilting downwards. It will be a critical resistance for C if you are looking to break up above this resistance to actually go up higher. If not, we'll continue creating lower lows. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.